Hi, I'm Caroline Burden. I work as an engineering geologist for GMAT. What I was able to do first was able to really place those subsurface structures through using domain MCF in the geology challenge. I was able to really get the benefit of seeing where those structures could possibly be in the subsurface, and alongside using all the data that we had and having that all-in-one solution in Geology core, I was able to use the drill holes, but on top of that, some ATV data with structures picked and mapped data. Having it all integrated together was really great, and being able to bring in other data sources where it's not just the drill holes to extract the information. You can have the point clouds or structural models and really pick out the CAD and integrate that all into your interpretation, as well as picking out the relevant drill hole qualities and incorporating that all into what you want to feed to the machine learning process. The new fault modeler in Vulkan Geology core, which was given a beta in order to run for this challenge, was really great in capturing the fault blocks and segregating up the model. The new fault modeler helped me to define the geotechnical or geological domains, which helped really refine the model and break up the different drill holes and data sets that we had in order to make a more complete model, which was more geologically accurate. I used workflows and the Python SDK to speed up those processes and help with a more repetitive, reliable, and repeatable process. In Vulkan Geology core, there's a few little tools that are so valuable to being able to implement processes such as mapping, such as freehand line is a real favorite of mine, and items just like the juxtaposition view to really easily move between the data and have different things loaded on each side so you can compare and contrast different models. And the section viewing tool, being able to see multiple things in section or not in section and not have to put everything into the section at once. So you can compare the different models and different data sets very easily. Yes, so we've actually been developing some really exciting ideas around geotechnical models and using Vulkan and Vulkan Geology core as key platforms for this. So the domain MCF hours will likely be used towards this. While we want these models to be largely data-driven, we also want to allow for some statistical fuzziness, and machine learning can really help harness the data and show a lot more detail and predictions to really make a more complete model, which is what we're really hoping for. I'd really like to thank Maptek for the opportunity to enter the Geology Challenge. I really enjoyed exploring the new tools and functionality that Domain MCF and Vulkan Geology core had to offer.